All right. Thank you so much for joining us at Theater 10. Build a workflow in 10 minutes. My name is John Levesque. I am a senior PM on the Microsoft Flow team, and I focus on everything around the product. Community, engagement, evangelism. If you deal with anything outside of the product, that is my realm. I'm joined by my coworker here.
So my name's Kent Weir. I'm a program manager on Microsoft Flow as well, and I focus on enterprise readiness, which would include things like governance, security, analytics, and ALM.
And so today, we are going to work with you and show you how to build a workflow in 10 minutes. So before we get started, need a little bit of level setting. Who is an expert in Flow? Let's get those guys out of the way. Flow experts. One. Good, we got one, okay. I'm somewhat familiar with Flow. I've used it. I'm somewhat familiar, okay. I don't have any idea what Flow is. All right, cool. And the rest of you somewhere in the middle are non-participant. That's cool. So I'm going to go ahead and jump over here, and I'm going to do a quick intro to Microsoft Flow with you guys for about 5 minutes, just so that the people who haven't seen it get a little bit of level setting before we take off and show you the flow. So, is this a new tab for me right here, Kent? Or do I need a new one?
You can use this one.
All right, cool. So where you see right here is the My Flows list. This is where all the flows that you created for you live. These are the ones that haven't been shared with anyone on your team. If you are running mission critical flows, make sure that you share them with your team, which would then put them under the Team Flows tab. Just like any other mission critical item in your business, you don't want to be the only owner. Now, I'm going to take you to the Flow homepage really quick and point out a few things. The first thing is the Learn tab. This is the most important place for those of you guys that don't know Flow. Right here, you're going to see guided learning. Guided learning is your #1 place to get started. 14 videos that take you from zero to somewhere. Okay, they're going to give you the foundational knowledge that you're going to need to use to build flows. After that, your next step is documentation. Documentation, we did our best to segment out on your education level. If you're a beginner, we have items for you. If you're intermediate, we have some for you. Experts, admins, all the like. After that, the last place I'm going to point out under the Learn tab is the community. I cannot stress enough how important it is to be a part of the Flow community. We have over 100,000 monthly active users in the community. We have MVPs that are regularly participating. We even have a support staff that we pay to go and make sure that your questions are getting answered. It is the #1 place to connect with people and to ask your questions and ensure that they're getting answered. So definitely make sure and go sign up for the community. And actually a little quick plug, we have a community booth right around the corner over here. You can go sign up to win a Surface Go. Go check out the Power communities over there. Go enter to win a Surface Go. All right, back to the Flow homepage. One other thing I want to point out for you guys who haven't started in Flow before is templates. Templates are not only a great way to just jump in and start using flows, they're an amazing way to learn. They can accelerate your learning. Let's say that you found one that was close to what you wanted, but not quite there. You could open it up, you could click edit, and then you would see all of the steps and the logic that actually makes that flow work, which could teach you then how that's built and structured so that you could tweak it to make it actually work for you. And then back to the homepage one more time. The last thing I'm going to point out here is this template collections right here on the homepage. And so these are role-based templates. If you're in HR, if you're in marketing, if you're a software developer, in education, we've gone ahead and created template collections that we feel would be very useful to your job role. There's also feedback mechanisms. If you think we should add additional things, you can go ahead and comment on those and say, hey, there's a template over here that absolutely belongs in the education vertical. Please move it, and we would be happy to do that. So, that's about the foundation setting that I'm going to do. And so next, I want to introduce the topic of this talk. So there's a show called Silicon Valley on HBO. Who's seen it? Who's familiar? Okay, cool. So in this show, they build an application called Seafood, and they sell it to a company called Periscope for 15 million bucks. All the app does is takes a picture of food and tells if it's a hot dog or not a hot dog. And so we said, you know what? That's something that we could build in Flow. And so today what you're going to see is the first workflow in 10 minutes is hot dog, not hot dog. So we got a little video to introduce it. But before we do that, Kent and I like to throw down challenges to each other. We present a lot together, and we like to make it interesting. And so I'm going to do my best to make Kent not build this in 10 minutes, and he's going to do his best to absolutely build it in 10 minutes. And we decided that our bet was going to be the loser had to do the other's Ignite expenses.
You bet. Everyone loves doing expenses.
Everybody loves expenses. All right, so Kent, why don't we show them the video here, give them a little bit of insight, and then we'll get into it.
Creates an app and gets very rich from selling that.
The social media phenomenon sweeping the vegan meat industry. But first, we have seafood founder and CEO Jin Yang. Sorry, Mr. Jin, Mr. Yang?
It's Mr. Jin Yang.
Okay. Mr. Jin Yang, you just sold your company Seafood to Periscope, and we're hearing the deal closed at over $15 million. Can you confirm?
I am very rich.
My sources at Periscope tell me the tech is quite impressive, and your app uses the same machine learning to recognize if the food is a hot dog?
And a not hot dog. It's very important. It's a hot dog, not hot dog. It's technology.
Okay, so you saw the clip.
So it's hot dog, not hot dog. It's technology. All right, so Kent, why don't you take a couple seconds, explain some of the background technology that we need to pull this together, and then let's get this challenge going.
I think you've wasted enough time already. So what we're going to use today is we're going to use a technology called Custom Vision AI. This is part of Azure's Cognitive Services platform. And what we've done here is we've actually gone ahead and found a bunch of different pictures of hot dogs on the internet. We've uploaded them, and then what we've done is we've tagged them. So we go ahead and provide tags. They're all hot dogs, but we can also identify other attributes like is it chili, mustard, relish, etc. So the whole idea of this is that we'll go ahead and have a picture of food. We will upload it through the Flow mobile application. We will call this Custom Vision AI service, and it's going to come back and tell us whether or not it thinks it's a hot dog or not. And while this sounds like just all fun and games, what's interesting is we have customers that have built real-world solutions on top of this technology. One in particular is a pipeline company that's managing vegetation, essentially weeds and flowers, on their right-of-ways and infrastructure, and using this technology to know if it's something they can pick or not. So with that out of the way, is it
I think we're there.
to build?
Let's do this. So I'm going to grab the phone over here and set a timer. And I'm going to need you to let me into your phone again. Oh. All right. Are you ready, Kent?
I am ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Time is running.
So right now I am in the Flow Maker portal. I'm going to create a trigger. A trigger is basically an input to our flow itself. It's going to trigger off our flow. Now, in this case, I'm going to use a manual trigger of flow, and I have the ability to provide different inputs. And in this case, I'm going to have an input that happens to be a picture. And this is a picture that can come off of my phone or directly off the camera. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to call that Custom Vision AI service. And what's interesting about that is I don't need to be a developer in order to do that. I can go ahead and use an out-of-the-box connector and then use a predict tags from image action. Now, as part of that project that I have created that I showed you in the other web browser, I need to provide a project. So when I went ahead and created that project, it would give me this project ID. Next, what I'm able to do is actually take the input that's coming.
Hey, what's all this, Kent, on the side? There's like this drawer out here. What's all that?
It's like a stall tactic. What it is it's the ability to use data from previous steps in the workflow. So here, I'm going to use the My Picture, which is the attribute that I included on the Flow mobile app that's saying this is going to be a picture.
We call that stuff dynamic content. Dynamic content flows down through your steps. The top steps content is available to the second, is available to the third, and so on and so forth. All right, what are you doing now, Kent?
So what I'm going to go ahead and do, we saw all of those different tags that exist, and I'm going to indicate that I want to find tags specifically related to hot dog. I'm not interested, it's not relish or not relish, it's hot dog or hot dog.
Doesn't matter if the hot dog has relish or not.
The other thing to notice is that this is a loop, so we have the ability to loop through all of the different tags.
So Kent, when you put that step in, it made a big box around all that stuff. Why? What's that?
So that is the loop.
That's the loop. Okay.
So what's happened is you're going to go through each one of those tags we have and then give us a probability indicator. Obviously, higher is better than lower.
Right.
And if it's really high, then we can say that it's going to be a hot dog. But if it's really low, then we'll say it's not a hot dog.
All right.
So what do you feel is a valid data, like a valid percentage from a probability perspective?
What do you guys think? How sure should the system be? Like 85%? I heard 80. I heard 80. Let's go with 80, Kent.
You know what? Since it's like Thursday of Ignite, let's go 85.
Okay. All right.
Let's raise the stakes. All right, so that's what we've done. Now we're going to go through, we're going to find any probabilities related to hot dog, and
So-
if it's greater than 85, then we're going to send out a notification saying, yes, we have a hot dog.
So I want to slow you down real quick there.
Of course you do.
Yeah, you there's this pink thing over there.
This pink
What's
thing.
that pink thing at?
Oh my
Where did that
gosh.
come from?
Okay, so what this is it's an expression. If you're familiar with Excel, you've got little expressions or macros. It's sort of the same idea. It's a little bit of a function, and in this case, what it's going to do is it's going to convert 0.85 to a float value, which is basically a numeric, so that when we have the probability, we're comparing the same data types, number to number.
All right. You guys with us? All right.
So how much time do I
So
have?
you're doing well. You're only at 3:20. You got like
Oh,
7
okay.
minutes left.
Oh,
That's,
okay,
that's why I
well-
keep trying to stall you,
Well,
man.
hey, this Wi-Fi, you never know.
Yeah.
There's no certainties.
You know, the problem is we did this challenge once before and this flow was twice as long. I think Kent went home and practiced how to make it shorter. We're going to have to make it build a workflow in 5 minutes in the next one. All right, Kent, so what are you doing? Update us here.
So what I'm going to do is when we detect it is a hot dog, we're going to go ahead and send a mobile notification saying it's a hot dog. And then we're also going to provide a link to an image just to give a more immersive experience.
Yeah, we want you to have some visual feedback to know if this is a hot dog or not. Text is not good enough.
And what's interesting is this will light up right on my Flow mobile device. I don't need any additional services. This doesn't cost any more money. This is something just that's out of the box.
That's right, man. That's a good idea. I should tell them all to download the app, huh?
No, you should not. After, you are more than welcome.
So previously, me and Kent did this at the Business Application Summit, and I cheated to win. Before we started, I told everybody to
Why are
start
you
downloading
telling
the
them
app.
this? Why are you telling them this?
They're not going to mess you up, Kent. They're not going to mess you up. They're going to wait till after.
Okay, so I think we've got a flow. I'm going to give this a title.
You're done already?
Well, it has to work, right?
It does have to
Ignite.
work. We're at 4 minutes and 40 seconds, guys. Hot dog, not hot dog flow in under 5 minutes. Eat your heart out, seafood.
So we will go ahead and we will save this.
All right, we just hit the 5 minute mark. I'm sweating. Looks like I'm doing extra expenses.
I hope you are, because that means I'm not. So, okay, so we have now a saved flow.
All right.
And we can go ahead and try this out.
All right.
So what we'll do is we will flip over to 7. And so what this is this is the Flow mobile application. The Flow mobile application does more than just buttons, what we're going to show you. It will also allow you to respond to approvals. So approvals is a first-class part of our platform, where when someone sends an approval, you'll get a notification on your phone and you can instantly respond to it. You can also see if there's any outstanding approvals as well. But the more interesting thing that we're going to talk about is these virtual buttons. So we have physical buttons like Flick, the size, of a toonie if you're Canadian, and you have the ability to click a physical button and it'll kick off a flow. Well, we're going to do something very similar with virtual buttons. So these are buttons that I can go ahead and use for myself, or these are buttons that I can go ahead and share with others. So what we're going to do is we're going to load the button, we're going to hit our photo library, we're then going to go ahead and select a piece of food, and we're going to hit done. And what's happening is that this photo is going to get submitted to Flow. Flow will then take this image and send it off to the Custom Vision AI service. And then what will happen is we will get some sort of an indicator whether or not it is a hot dog or not a hot dog. So we're just a little bit dependent on the network here.
Waiting on the Wi-Fi. 3.5 minutes.
3.5 minutes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, take your time, Wi-Fi, take your time. Each second passes, the further from expenses I get. This is my favorite part. This is it right here. All the pressure.
Oh, not hot dog.
Oh, it came back. Let's see. Give us that visual indicator. This Wi-Fi is bad. You guys started downloading the
No,
app.
actually, you're right. I'm not on Wi-Fi because
Oh.
Wi-Fi was worse. It's on LTE. Yes.
All right, well, what would happen is a nice image of a hot dog with a big red X pops up and says, not hot dog. You troubleshooting it there, Kent?
I'm just waiting for it to respond. So let's go ahead. Let's try this. No, it's still.
Switch over and show it on there.
Still spinning. So
There it is. There's the hot
No,
dog.
this is from a previous run.
Oh.
Yes.
I'm still good then.
But let's.
I need your finger for your phone, buddy. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Come on, Kent. I believe in you. I don't want you to win. I want you to do my expenses, but I'm rooting for you too. Come on, Wi-Fi gods. Help him out.
Hot dog, yes.
This one was a hot dog.
This one was a hot dog.
All right. Well, Kent, 1 minute left. You built hot dog, not hot dog. You tested it successfully. I have lost the challenge. But the bright side to this all is that you guys got to see how quick and simple it is to make a solution that uses AI and you can code it up in less than 5 minutes. If you're on terrible Wi-Fi, it takes like 5 minutes to also test it, but you can build it in 5 minutes.
Yes.
So guys, that's our time. Thank you so much. If you have questions, we'll hang out for a few. Thank you.